Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn from the chapter linear equations in one variable how to solve equations which have linear expressions on one side and numbers on the other side. There are many ways in order to solve equations which have linear expressions on one side and numbers on the other side. Now let us work out exercise 3.1 and solve few problems. So in linear equations in one variable, exercise 3.1, the first problem says x minus 2 is equal to 3. There are different ways to solve a given problem. So let us use a way which is little simpler. So x minus 2 is equal to 7 is the expression. What do we do? The terms on right hand side, this right hand side, these are called as the terms on the right hand side. And here whatever it is, we call the terms on the left hand side. Okay, so here you should see which is the variable. X, as I said, all alphabets are called, small alphabets are called variables in algebra. So x is a variable, 2 and 7 are constants. If we have to solve the equation, we should see what is the variable and find the value of that variable. So we have to find the answer for x. So x is a variable. X is a variable. In order to solve the equation in a very simpler way, you need to keep the x, find the value of x. So you need to find what is the value of x. So what is next to x? Next to x is minus 2. So we will shift minus 2 to the other side. This is called transposing. Shifting this number from left hand side to right hand side is called transposing. Even if you shift from right hand side to left hand side, it is called transposing. So when I shift minus to the other side, 7 will remain in his place. X also is in his place. So I shift minus 2 to the other side. Whenever a number is shifted from left hand side, one hand side to the other hand side, its sign changes. If it is minus 2, when it comes here, it becomes plus 2. Plus 2. So what is 7 plus 2? We know 7 plus 2 is 9. So the answer here is 9. We have solved the equation and we have got answer is equal to 9. So we have done only one step here. We have to shift or transpose. We have shifted or transposed 2. Shifted and transposed 2 from left hand side to right hand side. So we have shifted or transposed 2 from left hand side to right hand side, and then we have done the operation. So step 1 is shift or transpose 2 from left hand side to right hand side, and step 2 is perform the operation. So here perform the operation. Shift or transpose 2 from left hand side to right hand side and change its sign. We have to change its sign and perform the operation. We will do some more problems and see how does this work. So problem number 2 says y plus 3 is equal to 10. So the variable here is y. Left hand side, right hand side. Let us start. So variable is y is equal to 10 as it is. Minus 3 when I shift here. Plus 3 when I shift here, it becomes minus 3. Here you see children, minus 2 when I shifted here, it became plus 2. Plus 3 when I shifted, it became minus 3. So y is equal to 7. We have to subtract 10 minus 3 and 7 is the answer. Let us solve some more. 6 is equal to z plus 2. Now see, variable is where? On my right hand side. No problem. Keep the variable there only. Keep this number here only. Who is next to z? Z should be alone. Variable should be alone. So shift plus 2 on the left hand side. So this becomes minus 2. 6 minus 2 is how much? 4. 4 is equal to z. So we can say the value of this variable z is equal to, the value of this variable z is equal to 4. I hope you're understanding. It's very easy and simple. Okay. The fourth problem says 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. X will be in the same place because we need the value of x, so we'll put x is equal to. Whichever variable you need, we'll put that variable equal to children, and we'll shift whichever the number which is next to it to the other side by changing its sign. So x is equal to 17 by 7 will be there only. So you have to shift, remove this from this side, left hand side to right hand side. So this become minus 3 by 7. So this is a fraction, denominator is same, so it remains same. 17 minus 3 is nothing but 14. 14 by 7 we can keep, or we can cancel 7 ones are 7 twos are. So the value of x is 2. I hope you have understood, children. We have performed 4 problems. We have performed 4 problems, which is very easy. We have done these problems by using transposing method. That is, we keep the variable and we shift whichever number is there next to it to the other side. Whichever number is there, we will change the sign and we shift. Whichever number is next to it, we change the sign and we shift to the other side. Whichever number is next to it, we change the sign and shift to the other side, and we do the operation. I hope you have understood the video. Thank you. Like and subscribe.